Good afternoon. Happy Sunday, guys. Just wanted to spend a little time with you, whipping up some late lunch, early dinner. I've got a few things that were left in the fridge. I, like you, don't always feel like cooking from scratch. I get tired, I get lazy. Um, I sometimes want to spend couple hours on the phone with a friend of mine and just chat with them, especially on a Sunday afternoon. You know who you are. I'm very thankful to have this person in my life. Izzy, you've been great. Um, so I'm going to take the baked chicken that I made yesterday. I'm going to take some green beans and the rice. I'm going to put it all together in one meal. And, this is the kind of stuff that helps you get through those days where you just don't have the time to do it. Because I don't know about you guys, but I regularly feel like I have enough time to do anything. If this resonates with you, leave me a thumbs up or a heart or a wink or a comment in the comment section below, because I know most of us don't have enough time to do anything. Especially those of us that are, the full-time working moms or grandmoms or aunts or friends or wives or just, persons in general, I mean, you don't have to have any really excuses to be busy and not feel like cooking. Maybe you just don't like to cook. I personally love to cook. To me, it's very therapeutic. So that gives me a reason to want to get in the kitchen and cook. And, I have been taking nutrition classes. I am, like I said, now I have my nutrition certificate. Yay, me! But it's also helped me understand my food and my health and, what I should be eating and why I should be eating it. And, one of the things that really kind of rocked me recently was an advertisement for Burger King. Yeah, and it was like on Facebook or Instagram or something along those lines. And it was talking about how great a deal it was now to be able to get a meal for $7, which to me is a ridiculous amount of money to pay for a burger and fries and a drink, which, first of all, I haven't eaten fast food in quite a while. So that's one reason why these prices are kind of surprising to me. I'm dating myself, back where I'd go to Burger King and I'd get my meal for $3.50. And I was a Whopper Jr. with fries and Coke or whatever kind of gal, because it's quick and easy, and I won't lie to you, it tastes good. Their Whoppers are good. They're flame broiled. They're great. They do a great job of advertising. But what you also don't realize is just how bad for your system that is until it starts to catch up with you. And if you actually look at it, even when you're younger, you have digestive issues, you're stressed out, and it tastes good while you eat it, but later you're just have that kind of blah feeling, or you're worn out and tired and you don't really know why. And it's probably got something to do with what you've eaten. Got leftover rice, just to kind of show you guys here. I'm going to put that in the pan. What I did was I put some olive oil and about a tablespoon of garlic. And I like fresh minced garlic, but this jar right here of minced garlic tastes just as good. And there are days I kind of feel like it might taste better than mincing an actual clove itself. But honestly, you want a good time saver that's going to add a lot of flavor to your dishes, get a jar of minced garlic. Save yourself the time and effort. Who are you trying to impress? You know, I mean, I'm sure you can answer that, but you know, there was a time when I would work 8, 10, 12-hour days and then go home and cook a meal and try to clean the house up and, you know, take care of my kids because they were younger at the time. And, you know, I had a partner at the time who honestly didn't appreciate me. We'll just be honest. And, you know, I have since no longer in that relationship, and you know, now I've got to focus more on myself. And with that, I was able to focus more on my health, and that comes with eating well. So what I've done now, pretty simple. Take the green beans. I've got rice, garlic, olive oil, some salt, and some onion powder. So I've got all that in there. I'm going to warm up one of my leftover chicken thighs. Put all that together. What I'll do is I'm actually going to warm that up in the air fryer. I'll save you guys the time and effort of me going through the air fryer. But I just wanted to spend some time talking to you all just a little bit. Show off my muscles where I've been working. How cool's that? Never been particularly muscular. But anyway, happy Sunday, guys. I love you. Know that you're not in this alone. If you need or want any advice or just want to talk about it, if you can totally relate to wanting to do something quick and easy because you don't have time, energy, or the desire to do anything else, but you really are done, you're just tired of eating in a way that makes you feel bad, comment below. Leave me a comment. Leave me a thumbs up. Show me you're listening. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, much love.